In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download OBS Studio 2026, OBS Studio Download. We'll go from grabbing the installer to making your first test recording, so by the end you'll be ready to capture your screen with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official OBS Studio website. On the home page, select the download option that matches your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Choosing the correct version ensures the installer includes the right components for your device. Click the Download Installer button to begin the download. Once the file has finished downloading, open it from your browser's Downloads bar or from your Downloads folder. On Windows, this will be in .exe file. If your system shows a security prompt, confirm that you want to run the installer. The setup wizard will appear. Click Next, review the license agreement, and continue. When you reach the installation location, the default program files folder is recommended for most users because it keeps everything organized and avoids permission issues. Click Install and let the installer complete. At the end, make sure Launch OBS Studio is checked, then click Finish. OBS will open and guide you through an auto configuration. When asked how you plan to use it, choose Optimize just for recording, which prioritizes smooth local video capture. Click Next, then apply settings to lock those recommendations in. With OBS open, look toward the bottom for the Sources panel. Click the plus icon, select Display Capture, and press OK. This captures everything on your screen. If you use multiple monitors, pick the display you want. You can resize or rearrange the preview if needed. Check the audio mixer to confirm your microphone is active. Speak normally and watch for movement in the mic meter. If the levels are too low, raise the volume slider. If they're turning red, lower it slightly to avoid distortion. Make sure you see your desktop audio and mic sources as expected. When you're ready, click Start Recording in the bottom right corner. Do a quick action on screen to test movement and audio. When you're done, click Stop Recording in the same spot. By default, OBS saves recordings to your Videos folder. Open it to find your new file. If you prefer a different save location or format, you can change that later in OBS settings under Output. That's it. You've downloaded OBS Studio and made your first recording.